Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. Today, I will be showing you how to convert your WordPress website into mobile application. So as mobile browsing continues to grow, having a mobile application can greatly enhance your user experience and engagement. So first, you will need to choose a WordPress plugin or service that specializes in converting websites to mobile apps. Popular choices include AppPresser, MobiLoud, and Andro app. Select the one that best fits your needs. So after selecting a tool, install the plugin on your WordPress site. Configure the settings to customize the app's appearance, including the color scheme, navigation, and features. So before publishing, it is crucial to test the app to ensure it works smoothly across different devices and platforms. Make any necessary adjustments to improve performance and user experience. So once you are satisfied with the application, publish it to the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. And you will need to create developer accounts on these platforms if you haven't done so already. And that is how you convert your WordPress website into mobile application. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.